today's 1.5 hour. First of all, the engagement I felt, I'm sure the room was really cold in the beginning, but now it's very warm. Thank you very much. Continue that engagement. Secondly, there are some statements that were said which are very close if you really focus on whoever said, that's it. One, I would say, where is the Kuwait engagement? And let me say a stand-up, I know I'm a DCEO, but I will speak as a Kuwaiti now, a member of the Kuwait Oil Company. If we don't really take this business very seriously, in less than 900 days, we will not be achieving the 950. And by the way, Kuwait will not achieve the 950. Do you know what this means? We're going to be exporting, not exporting oil, we're going to be importing gas. Gas is a commodity that the state of Kuwait requires to power all of our power stations. We need to be energy efficient. We need to be also dealing with the environment. Therefore, we need to deal with gas. We need to use the opportunity to bring the gas as fast as possible. We all succeeded in achieving the 560 for a short period of time. I am not a peak person. I have to state it. I am for sustainability and growth. And for me to see growth, I need to maintain my baseline. I believe Jurassic has not reached their baseline yet. Your baseline might be on 750, closer to 900, maybe more. Your baseline is for your future kids. And this message to the Kuwaitis now. Future kids. I joined KOC 20 plus years ago. I worked in Jurassic maybe, I would say, Jurassic was 3 or 4 times. Most of my time was in convention. The Jurassic is the future for Kuwait. Not that the convention is not. We have to be different. We need to be different to exist. There are so many challenges around us. But the most challenging part of us is to listen and capitalize on the resources around us, people around us. And I'm talking about people, technical stuff. Starting from the top, with government, all the way to KOC management. Being part of it, we have tried to allocate the best resources for our employees, Kuwaitis and Kuwaitis, to excel. Providing them courses, opportunities to attach to IOCs, and bring IOCs. It's not an easy job, by the way, to have an agreement with IOCs. Those who work with me before 2016, you could just imagine, IOCs are not an easy partner. But as soon as we connected with them, they realized how competitive we are. We need to prove it. And how? By achieving not the 950. I was talking to Ed just a few minutes ago. What made me really happy is that to see the connection between the two, the blue color and the suit, Shell and KOC. That's only an example. And I guarantee you have more examples to prove to yourself as well as to me. We are here as one team. And the example of the Formula One, believe it or not, this is where the success is. We see a lot of stories around us. We watch a lot of movies, I don't know how many, and probably hundreds. What have we learned? We are fortunate that we are dealing in a state of mind, but less of challenges, and from, I would say, resources. Technical challenges, well, hundreds, maybe manager IND here, or agree or disagree with me. We have hundreds of papers that claims to be that KOC was pioneering in so many activities. How what if we want to be pioneering in laying the best well for Johnson? And by the way, it could be the best well from a drilling point of view. That's a success for drilling as well as for KOC and for us. Placing the well is the easiest part. Ensuring that the well is drilled, that's a different story. What I hear this morning, almost 45 minutes, challenges of, it seems to be, placing the well. It used to be the easiest thing to do. Now, if you really don't place a well, that means you're not going to drill it. You're going to miss another day. If you are able to iron out all the differences and focus on one thing, and that is in less than 600 plus or maybe 700 days, you're going to be all celebrating. For those who are retiring might be seeing it and celebrating that they had some. Now this room is not only the place where medical life. We have your colleagues, Nahditi, and all in the field. They are waiting. They are trying to find solutions. I don't want to be having also the answers, but I will make sure that I will avail all of my power and resources to make you succeed. What took a day for me, I will make sure to take less than a day for you. I should not be forcing you to go through the same hassles that I did. Again, and lastly but not least, working together is not a statement or a word that can be just shared around. It's proof how you can be very humble and respect each other. And frankly speaking, when you say I say respect, is the technical aspect of it. I can disagree with you outside, but you are my environment that inside you. So I've got to have everybody as a friend and can chat and do everything outside, but we have limitations. But inside KOC, there is only one objective. Your best is for KOC, technically. If you want to do more, thank you very much. It's not too much to ask for. You deserve better. And inshallah, with discipline and other plans, we will succeed in achieving our common objective. Not Jamasi Gaz's objective, it's KOC objective. Okay. Thank you.
So just here, I just want to hand this over. So this is a little thing to remind us of the day here. So please take that with you, and for the rest, when you're leaving late this afternoon, outside there is similar things. Just to remind us, I think as we talked about, nobody forgets 9:50 now, but now you can even go and show it to your family and friends.
They already say.
The size does not represent the huge target you guys put in. This is a very size.
You see? Typical Kuwaiti.
First of all, they're all free. There's many outside. We have.
Those who also probably, some of them have been contaminated. Not only the Kuwait, like Kuwait is you. I'm serious about it, guys. This is only. First of all, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's a testament from church that they are working with us. We are working together. Nobody is working for somebody else. This is a message from President DP to all of you. We are all working together, and I hope that one day, if any of you, maybe most of you, will be CEOs, and I would love to work with you. Thank you very much.